Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to hide your Steam profile from your public. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to hide your Steam account from the public, first log into your Steam account, as I've already logged into my Steam account on the Steam app on my computer. And after that, on the top right corner of your screen, after logging into your account, you can see a username over here. It's my username on the top right corner, but on your computer it will be yours. Just click on it, and after that, on this interface, you can see on the pop-up there is the first option which says view my profile. Click on view my profile, and over here on the side you can see the edit profile option available. Over here, click on edit profile, and after that, on this interface you can see the privacy settings available over here. But before we go to the privacy settings guide, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because it gives a lot of motivation to continue to do this work. And now let's go to our privacy settings, and after that you can see here my public available under the category privacy settings. So it's on currently public. Now we'll be able to change it when we click on the downside arrow of the public. Let's click on it, and you can see there is the private button. If you want to just hide your profile from everybody, and if you want to show it to your friends only, click on friends only, and your profile will be available to your friends only. It's saved, you can see at the moment we change it, and it's on you. For currently, I'll make my profile public because I play games on it. And then guys, this is how you hide the Steam profile from your public on Steam. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.